McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Yet the bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, yadiba so yeah, my share, wow! Me chant in Athena, I'm Renaso, McBrown's kitchen, Adrianeva, and one you so a beer, me, mamo. I was here for McBrown's Kitchen. Welcome once again to another episode. And many just said me de brew because minim say me no appointment. McBrown's Kitchen, as you know, say eduane pa ane ebo ho dero. Na McBrown many Hisense na ye adwuma. Enu to hwe Hisense TV and ebo hai and a Hisense fridge 4-door and a bohan inverter papa. Na fridge way and I will come baby ultimate de wachi jano. So we fridge na screen kese ebo ha pa wo no ma betumi e da yedi nkomo ha wo the recipe e beto ha wan kasa wo pictures wo de bebo nyom ni nyina fridge we e be ye amount. However and McBrown's Kitchen me choose we na ma chow say I me wo McBrown's kitchen metiana 17 yes McBrown's Kitchen, Ediane pa Ede. So when the fridge will fear the Amazon, Hisense, your showrooms, na kwa jodi. I was here for Tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix. Any Tasty Tom jollof mix dear. Miss Rao, and one in Tosia, met to me account for a mawo. In Tosia, vitamins a womo, na ebe bow nipe dianuntino. Me pacho, uko jaswa. Choose Tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix and a Tasty Tom jollof mix. Jollof no be entem e be de na spices level na won so no e fa pepepe. What you say? Wa wo pe bibi momo a na wo de aka ho na socket wo ho no. Se de ukodwa so na wo pe wo toto oniema na wo de tissue e ka ho de a. But modern say wo be choose papa no. Wo be choose affordable one. Ube choose dear, ube to me use to say you bio. Bell pack tissues, and yes, I'm a ambassador, and I may born the rule, and American say, there be. Why were you to be no be dear dance? Say, bell pack, so we now you su, now so we chim one, yes, one at 10. Which chim we are, oh dear, kakra, we and say now be more. A back to the shape, oh donana, now pa the panko dear, use bell pack, say. Me but many more, Charlie spices, Charlie. And now the who did you know did you did it all natural. So who factually spices now don't sabum. Now the two catchments about say ginger no ginger papa. Just a Ghana hey ya ginger no and I dry na ya hygienic way. Ye dear good conco. Sana prekesa no so sa what the young quine and I won't nom na no pebia in Calbe who say a quine bisono. A bebo the sasha 1 year. A bass a chop bar for no, I mean restaurant for no. If you're for ye the any baby, I no. I mean, would you soon at once a bebo? Would you see us what catano ye? A fay Borges olive oil, as you know, dear Borges there. Borges what they know or your owner is like you can't olive oil pay. It comes to your mind, say, your Borges, all natural, the #1 olive extract, like oil into the pacho. Uko na wo pebi adidi anu asa Jones here say to me the sra ye the bomb pie Royal Kitchenware official Ghana me da omo asese omuda so ekura me mu e ma me chensen e ma me de ye aduane me do omo ase afa my way insurance ye didi ye adwuma ye koba na wa bo ho ban de ye bomb pie de nanso esan wo ho nti my way se me kan kire o say enye bibi kakraka bia e na enye bebi a obetu anamo akọ wow phone na so dial *165#. O dial ya obo hu se options bi beba me nua wo hwe me enye say wo de bedi agro fa no serious ensan say wo choose 5 cedis 50 pesos kra no a eno e ma kwan e ma otimi de obi ka insurance na wo ye no na china bi esan bi ba my way Friday aso mu ye do mu ase bebre afei delay mackerel delay sardine ene wa hai na mpa dompenim na wo decide no so egu waduane so bon so peche it's peche like that delay ye damwase me pa mo chaw McBrown's kitchen ne me kai yi mo no won say season bia me sesem me kai obi o say season where am sesem still launcher ene kura me mu a o mo asesa kitchen na mame nti hwehwe launcher kitchen na o mo mehwe space no na according to your space no on baby be kama amount open discount there hwe McBrown's kitchen na bo episode bi din chiro mu no mbe ma discount me gina idea na me da awake purified drinking water me da awake for ase ani one is for life she said the Hisense fridge no actually awake nsuo no na ba kope we ubogu ubu abonza wanum super however awake gusua eboa Ghana man inti wo bo awake pacho na ye mo Ghana man ubu awake na ubu onua Ghana na bi awake kan de sikabom edikoye adoye anasa ekoye ntoboa eboa cardio center kolebu dwene saade no hunti na de bia num awake medam ase Royal drinks waha, Puma drinks shemu waha. Ebusua na McBrown din dada na ne kura me. Na nedie still me trinyi no, not luxury hair and the mame beauty maven and the year menimu makeup. Any die mu a menko baby awati na yemfa aduane pamrel. Ye twa won abasesia.
Ade we mentiasi. Ye be twa akwani sika. Wo sa be TV ho. Say nsu de turn and say yiri family TV no. Say TV no. Asem so be anyo. O de na ide. Standard. TVFO, yeah, I need that down. Even the fish, really. No, you take a bed out of it. Give me an income on top. Really. Let's check that. Some beer, come. Hello, Ghanaian. Yes. Would TV the annual? I condition much higher now. I don't give a good check up for you. I may buy you. No, separate TV at home. That's what you that's one. Oh, I need more by here, Ankasa. Everything 18th October, I come 28th October. And your Hisense TV promo. Say you got Hisense TV, and you got TV, and it doesn't crochet. Sound anymore there. Na F. So to Hisense TV, every 65 inches equa, you more DSTV decoder with 3 months subscription. Hisense and Kwan about 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. More idea. What's your condition in career? Like come on to TV na so. Share. Your promo. Idea for Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
351251.
What first? Yes, some 12 amounts. 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where? 5,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you go to me and 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The idea will be on hospitalization. Just we are a sabia, ever blow what you can. Critical illness. Just Yaria Cronco Bua, Yajatum Saboa, ever blow Mawako. Be Brian Yakawina, Kakrabi pet, and the other to the Utiano so many. Waiting on my way, yes, no. For phone, dial *165 hash. Never come home. Send you my way. That's it, no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Mo. See your kitchen. What's in here?
Sweetheart, and then my higher home kitchen bill, and now for you could you garlic and a cake. I must say about betrayal and pussy, ya bought a potato. And nay, Timmy 3 minutes at the romantic. What can you mean saying now boom? I'm an iron back, and one is a would be a petty with 3 and near you.
Add your judge and crack to atomo.
Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me and Kasano, Adebia me yebiano, me shishimpe papano. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, but not hard. It is smooth. Me yusua, me hot tummy. It's just perfect. Same as the kitchen towel. What about what? What me the papaye? What me soaky? Echimu esa pepper. One Bell Pack kitchen towel lasts longer and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say your pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good like Bell Pack.
Wait, your tomato mix. What is so one on pass? Say loud, what tomato flavor no?
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra yang kwani stew. Dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom ama menia chepa. Presenya enino aye fefe. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Then into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's Kitchen, again,
McBrown's Kitchen, Ediane pa ede. Well, we are ready to cook. Now we say wine am neno beno Ediane no. This guy, I don't know where he came from. All of a sudden, this guy is so funny everywhere. Oye be and it suits him. Agban, say I ready there. Yem fanyum Asia. Giovanni Caleb.
Me and them resolve too, and then me have more mess around me. How baby, move when I mean my Jimmy too. This ya baby, and then me have more mess around me. 1, 2, open your mouth now, I can't tell you.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's right. That's right. Come on.
Check it out,
come on. Rap. I feel go figure that the whole Fox. I go into the box.
Hey.
No. Hey. Why? Because to Lagos to Lagos to Lagos. Again.
I would like an apple, baby. It's a mobile dog.
I will let you bank. Free time. Free time. Let's sit down. Allah. Philly, where's the food? Anka introductory food.
Giovanni.
Yes, welcome meal.
Nadia odi Kofi Kinata.
Oh yeah.
What the fire
from here you'll be a
Adia odi Kofi Kinata ni say.
Next time Kwesi.
Kwesi Kinata, I will say I present to you what I
Friday.
Coffee. Debbie, what's the What's that? Yes. Debbie, what's the matter? Because I said, no. No one has said me here, Kofi Kinata. Say, I be see more.
Thank you.
Yo, I was here. Different version. What's so sad for today, ma?
Debbie, yeah, aware.
Where?
Full-blooded.
Giovanni Caleb. Quite use your freedom.
But that's it.
Yeah. Use you.
Shield. I did.
Oh,
drinks, girl.
Oh, yes. Puma drinks, Shaho.
Me too.
Royal drinks, Shaho.
Me too.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Aquaba.
Thank you.
But Giovanni.
Oh, I'm feeling refreshed already.
Pa. Na, sabi, ewe, ohuneni abrantie. And now, when we are in front of 1 year, son, you have stole the attitude of the Fanties.
I don't know how it happened though.
What happened?
I've always been like this. I don't know. Even my parents are shocked. I come from a very quiet home, man.
You look very gentle. I don't want to say that you look like a gentleman, right?
Okay, you're allowed to say it. Hello, is it not your kitchen?
It's not
say
kitchen.
it.
It's not kitchen, but you know I respect you as a brother.
Say it, my sister. Go ahead.
Date rash and the baby was. And show me 360.
Thank you.
So I advance some more. And now they're rapping, no baby. What are you coming to cook on McBrown's? Wait. Yes. This is launcher kitchen. You see where our dustbin is. Yeah. So you're coming to prepare
Giovanni Potato Delight.
The other buyer, no. Potato Delight.
But when you go to Saito, it's potato.
Okay. And the brand level what I say. So I will say we are coming to do Giovanni Potato Delight.
All you need is what?
Potato.
And then a tuber of carrots. And then green tomatoes. Hey.
Please.
Weird.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Aye.
And then the onions and the rest you know already.
Yes.
Thank you.
Garlic and pepper. And we have the meat. And I will put it on meat. No.
Hey, come. Aye. So you have your...
meat.
But you Charlie spices, no?
Me want me spices, Charlie spices, more salt.
For it.
Me want powdered pepper.
Thank you.
Yes.
So I want to start with the meat.
The meat.
So you will help me, Abby.
I will help you.
Thank you.
Definitely make you trying to
Thank you. And see, we saying, say I'm and something. We go straight.
I can give you gloves though.
Oh, I mean, no, because
sure?
Yeah, I'm okay. I only do that when I'm in a very competitive cooking contest.
Oh, okay.
Usually when I'm representing Ghana abroad for cooking.
Yeah, and time that's.
Oh, wow.
And then time
you don't want the details?
Okay.
So we're 1.
Okay.
2, because of the number, I want to cook for those living in this part of Accra.
Which part of Accra? Tell us.
Well, we are in Adesawe, Kanda.
Okay.
Thank you. So those in the Flagstaff can join us. Mamu Africa, all this. I mean, anywhere around us. You chop it meat, no, very very small. So now yeah. So to chop it, no, you first go left and go right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a bit too small.
It's a bit too small. Okay.
No, but don't copy me. Don't try this at home.
No,
we are experts. No. Watch and learn. So this is it. Watch. Are you watching?
No, I'm watching.
Yes. Nana. Thank you. We say,
yeah.
When you are done, then you add your spices,
So are you going to blend something?
Yes, please.
Yes,
help me with First, for pepper, For pepper,
Okay.
For garlic.
Pepper, garlic?
Yes, please.
Me or powdered pepper, okay. Or you want this?
Okay, no. I'll use that one for the other one, the potato.
The potato.
So
4, 5.
Yes.
Thank you. Garlic too. I have 3 mix here.
Please.
Chop
that
for
onion, I have to chop it into what? We do it for. Do you know why we do it for?
No.
So that you don't cry.
How much?
Mama.
Hey. See kitchen, I mama comment na me nya no. Who dey see we pass mama me.
So I'm done with the meat.
It is one.
The meat will it be enough for everyone? Because I really want to community food.
Community food, for meat no back come.
Okay, thank you.
Why?
Because I'm a very busy chef.
Me person didn't come off our time. I would do medium.
Oh, okay. 15 years ago.
15 years ago.
University of Ghana campus. And I'm starting Radio Universe. Yeah, same place. Back with us, start here. Some of my friends in the game.
Are you going to watch it?
Yes, please. I have to. Very important. Very important. Yeah, because I don't trust Alidu. I bought it from Alidu. I don't trust it.
Yeah, trust.
Okay, all right.
I mean, what? Yeah, blend the water pump. I need you, man.
Do we have a sieve or something to...
Yes,
transfer,
I do.
Yes. Because also, you have to drip the water off it. So that when you are done, a very crispy, fresh, chewy. Okay.
How long are you?
Oh, since 2016. Interesting story. And that, or Bakramo, you know, and Akramo is not on a YFM. So I spy on for the glasses and say, wait. Do you wear Martin? Do you wear?
Giovanni, I had to wear to us. Shagun. Where we are Shagun, I mean,
oh, okay.
Right. So, who draining?
All right, so here the spices, no.
Ebe fahon.
Aha, challenge some my ginger powder fair.
Fresh.
Yes, yes.
All natural.
So no, I'm teaching you. So you're learning here.
No, Jay.
Oh, wow.
You're teaching me.
Oh, wow.
Me no go Dubai.
What's where you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's not so fast saying.
Into way say, you know, quantity way, yeah. Because you're looking at what? 600 people.
Giovanni.
Yes, my dear.
Oh yeah, Jenna, buy into media. No?
Yes.
Why you also be into comedy, kaka?
Yabio.
Why who DKB?
I'm my own my brother, no.
Na say Juman.
Oh yes, yes,
because it looks like you fit in. I mean, you fit in.
I get that a lot.
Until by one day. What do you know back home?
That's I.
Okay, fashion.
Because I wanted to. Yes. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, funny, you know.
You use half.
You use half.
You use half because because technically, no, we use you mark it down. Yeah, for.
Hey, and then menya asemo. Then this is the time I'll be here gloves, no.
That's right.
So don't say be fama.
Aha. And yes, sir.
And then menya asem.
Yes.
Na Gio, wo se wo shia we YFM time so je. Akramo.
Yes.
And wo ko say ne pe. And I'm we are down for.
Aye.
And I'm worry.
That's right. With two beautiful 2 years.
Yeah.
So then you mix it.
Okay.
So that you allow it to marinate.
Mpachomati.
Aha. It is
what the salt be gum?
Pachon eye.
Okay.
Salt no. Yes. You have it. Pachon why? Because my other hand is busy marinating what. This is how we do it. Who can say a bit salty into can say.
Salty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No. Me train you. We say no. Kids will become. See. Thank you. Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Okay.
And usually next time do it like salt be in a training.
Okay, Mate.
Yeah. Bend. Get your
yeah, Mate. Into you are end. Giovanni, at the time.
Into we no. Okay, we no. Let it marinate. When black will say simmer down. We are. So
yeah, then
fat woman.
Mate be cleaning one what?
Because
me pacho we why you for how long?
Oh, we've been together now for 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, with two kids.
Hey.
Easy.
2 kids.
Yes, please.
Okay, that's 3 kids.
No, for now 2. We're
so now we so what Into una no hana pekasa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ntina no na what
but she's funny oh. You do feel no mama is
so nti energy no draw free ho.
Sexually.
Hey.
Yeah.
Giovanni. And why you know? Okay.
So
I was here baby I do know. Yeah, katanam no so.
That's right.
Very important. Not say akukom eno an o de brofo kan say be manerate no.
I know. So now no. Some year porero no.
Porero.
Okay,
do the porero.
Yeah. Porero no. I felt cutting the last time. The year no. Diagonal. But this time I no say.
Into cutting say ya.
That's
right. I was for you the nam no see ho.
You know say a bing them.
We ya ro ho dada. But we na opesa ro ho so a.
Yo.
We bet na one sense.
No, me penu. Also I'm very sensitive on health and the organic aids, you know.
Okay.
I don't
George, any show experience on TV and radio. You are doing the 2.
Yes, please.
And
a wonderful journey.
You started with the radio.
Yes. Radio Universe.
And when did you realize it was my TV? And I want more opportunity.
ETV for the money opportunity. And there was a point I was a male presenter for late night celebrity show. Okay. And they got me the chance. Hey, not nice. No. Also, who speed no. You like it? That's how they taught us. So do you then? No. We speed near divine. Okay. So I put it here. It's ETV the more opportunity, no? Yes, ETV. Late and now, what about to us or him and then I may call EIB, GH1 TV. Okay. Duvet, family in common. I go to biblioteca, GH1 and back to yes.
For how long, you know?
Hey, Media General, I'm going on to 5 years.
5 years?
Yes.
March
1st to be my 5th year.
Oh, wow. 5 years.
Yes, please.
Okay. Now you have 2 programs this year. So 2 programs, no?
Yes.
Date
showbiz.
Rush.
Any showbiz.
Any showbiz. Okay, yeah, we.
Yes.
Akadia.
What
next?
Yeah, we are hoovering this one.
Okay. Yeah, they can run first and everything.
But because we are also teaching people at home.
Teaching people at home. Yo, I was for potato, no said you only no slide in the no. To say the turn abonten no. But we will fear so what me yen however, say na Joe on the other or yen no.
Media kakra. Oil kakra.
Oil kakra.
And spice no kakra.
Okay.
So which me use you know.
Oil they use extra virgin
oil. That's it.
That's it.
I'm sorry. That's why I have this at my back. Listen, Kovici.
Oh, Giovanni.
Yes.
Giovanni.
Thank you.
Oh, you look at crazy.
Also, thank you. Don't want a salty milk.
Okay.
Don't over.
And a pepper. Powdered pepper, no?
Thank you. Measure it. Don't overdo anything.
Okay.
And just have a call to enter your eye.
Okay.
They pepper you. That's where the expression came from.
Okay.
So they pepper you. Came from the kitchen. See.
You pepper them.
Thank you. So see it. Then you have to. Are you learning? You have to slant your shoulder like this.
Mate.
So say thank you. Oh, we are natural.
Yes.
So like this. A corner square. Thank you.
A marinated kama.
Beautiful.
Kama.
Beautiful. One.
If you only say we are finna when now they call air fryer
straight.
Giovanni?
Yeah.
All set for you.
Yes.
I was for you already say a day potato any meat no. Yeah, they call it air fryer. Now where high sense air fryer, Joe, bring them.
Yes, please. So
which one first?
I want to go to the
Mami check me air fryer mukaka. I was for so air fryer say na tie. Air fryer high sense air fryer no. However, ni yusu me no. Said them can between use manual between use automatic. Very very simple. The answer obeso. Inti emfa ne omanu.
We na power button.
Power button nine.
Into what so?
Minyan so ye me yi aba.
Oh, okay.
Se me yi bape. On say watchem say
open. Wow.
Clean, everything clean. Inti say na tie. Say wo hwe mu a. Ye the sieve atum.
Oh wow.
Removable utimi yi. Etwitwi mu. Eye bia wa ye waduane ne nyina ewie no. Pa cho ye nko.
Yo, anti
was it meat no ba?
Yes.
And I miss me for we go. Good.
So
ya ho yen sada until you can touch anything.
Wow.
And I can who say, oh, the yeah, then so ubetumi yi ahwe ana ubetumi yi adane no. Until no one say, what set the time no still be ma wani aiden akohonju o mewie.
Thank you.
Inti pacho ye de gu mawie say no you is we better insert it back.
That's right.
Safa shem. We insert it back enie. Afei edum inti maso obatam no nie. Maso. What's a chip na umia a very top potato.
Okay.
And this is the potato.
All right.
What I say? Into potato na nam say digital into no. Would press it the we a start button, which is this.
Wow.
What I say? Into my 24 minutes to finish the potato.
Okay.
Now yembra meat in the so. Meat no be selected cabinet 2. Once I blinking. That means I feel what train say, and then on your mouth, and then on your my meat. Into this one has brought it to the meat. Okay.
Oh.
Once I blinking. To us selecting meat in the there no amount of time to the over here start. Right. Into your select here we. My new back when if I'm not the next.
Okay.
I can serious message you. Where I can't check out for club. The girl be nice, so nice girl. My heart jump like a cat over the wall. Nice girl, I go die, oh. That is we love, oh. Shaggy. Oh my Giovanni, let's go. Honey. Last one.
Hey, I'm a trip. We don't do it. We are my kuma. Honey, my kuma mutafi. Sugar. Sugar. Allah.
When you're
Professional musician. Giovanni.
Yes, my sister.
Into a muku of you.
That's right.
How many times a week?
Oh, not week. Maybe once every 2 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And normal calendar, normal. But normal no interest say you cool. Who started radio first pay obekai?
Hey.
No, it's okay. We first pay, first salary.
First pay. Okay, me from national service, let me transition into contract staff before permanent. But it was a bit around
okay, start to come out with
okay, so this year now, veggies session.
Okay.
Because you can do Giovanni Potato Delight without veggies.
Okay.
It's a carrot, no, no. First, usually you test carrot no first.
Okay. Because it's clean, into no cry winning now.
But you need to do
Hey.
You understand?
No. Wow. So will be show na say or passion for this.
Yeah.
Sometimes me kasa both way. Obi or training. Onye juma and you're frustrated right now.
Sure.
What do you think the person should do now that there's social media?
Exactly. I mean, it's good to say, well, you've answered the question partly. Now that there is social media.
Yes.
Start from social media. People ask for opportunities. When you give it to them, then they are not ready for it. Now, I feel like people regret said they've given you the opportunity. So social media will give you room to start something, make your own mistakes, learn from them.
Okay.
And also, as a new generation, idiot, we are not prepared to go through the long haul. We'll be up a fast food success. I'm depending them. I don't have energy for those things. It might work for some, but might not work for all.
Okay.
In any case, no, just prepare. So that when you have that opportunity, you shine.
Shine everywhere you go.
That's right. That's why.
Hey, I can't form me into me marketing. What's the American? My master how? Next one. Make sure that the one we next one how very be.
Menstrual. And
the onion.
And the onion. And the onion. Okay.
And the onion. Now.
Yes.
A typical example is our own Felicia.
Yes.
Into pato and train. So we better show. Not Felicia across social media or start if you want and then what baby. On your TV. Start from where you are on your phone.
Yes.
On your social media platform. Okay, so I said you can also make mistakes with the traditional media.
Yes. And there's always make sure you learn from them.
And you're an experienced person. Then I'm back and Obia. When an opportunity our traditional media. More. Or not so not or best start it. And then I'm back and so on you.
So me, I always tell people, say, this days, days of, let me try something, and then you don't bring out the best in yourself. No, far over. The viewers, the listeners, they can tell chaff from who is being real.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now they are the ultimate judges.
Yes.
And if you are moving to traditional setup, and you don't have the confidence, you're in an area you're not comfortable with, make sure that what you're doing first, you love it. But yeah, traditional, so people get fed up because when they come there, they expect to say, hey, by tomorrow I should be driving the latest car. And they come and it's far from reality. It's far from what? Reality.
My brother, cut this. Be more away.
Yes.
Give me the green knife.
Okay. So now in the kitchen, we want a lot of
options.
Tools.
A lot of tools. A lot of tools. Aye. Into you just a half.
That's right.
All right. Oh
yes. Can you already? Thank you. Gio Potato Delight. Gio Potato.
But Giovanni,
yes, please.
Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
So I want.
So with Media General.
Well, it's a possibility. I'm happy where I am. I'm one of those people. Charlie, if I'm not happy, I'll move. I'm sorry. Unapologetically.
Moving.
The move, yeah. But Well, I have a lot of plans, especially for young talents.
Okay.
Yes. I want to be in the position to help and develop talent.
But you are doing that?
Yes, across the continent. This time I'm looking beyond Ghana.
Okay.
So God should just help us.
God should just help us.
Very important.
Good.
Yes.
Share with me as experience be a what's now radio so. Just say once a radio time no. Real mistake to say me to on your TV so na me ye. On your show time. A live show Sundays no. A live show what
I know and yampa.
Inti any and share experience be a what you say work ba.
Oh,
just when you
me bad they are me.
Enye brofo no nko mo just.
Wasida many wasida.
Debia when
me and cry content mommy.
Right, Joe, dear you obey su garlic, obey su ginger man na say
me you me you hamano.
Mema we be near
there. Me fa garlic no so.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the wooden hammer.
Me will be.
Thank you.
Aye.
Yes. Wow. It's smelly good.
What do you need? Smelly good. You have
we need to check.
And me man in pachamo.
Aye. 4 pieces.
You man 4 pieces.
Thank you. I said garlic dear. It's one of those things we have in abundance here, but we don't use it. Me
garlic.
High nutritious value. Utafa garlic on hospital.
Fagum
Thank you.
Fagum. We ready there why there.
Thank you.
Hey. Mary, afa yan check ya nam nai. Ene potato no. Be na yan check it.
No. I can't 5 minutes.
I can't 5 minutes.
Wow.
I can't 5 minutes of a nam no.
Thank you.
Wow.
This is it.
And 6 minutes of the potato.
Thank you. So we're almost there.
We are almost there. Tinti potato na yan.
Let's go.
Okay.
And the handle is not hot, so you don't need napkin.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's cooked though.
The potato is even shocked.
And I think that I can say a bit brownie. You was said that brownie in the year.
Wow.
So, Giovanni, vegetables here and day.
And to vegetables, no,
I'll come back to settings.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, they baha.
Yes, please. But yeah, we'll need oil. Yeah, at some point.
You virgin, no, bra.
Thank you.
And to vegetable, yeah, over tossino.
Pachai.
Oil no permanent train, no mini ya.
Okay.
Giovanni, Jenny, the Fedian and I can gumu. I am go, me we swama.
Thank you.
Shama me, auntie, dear can of a gumo.
All right.
Oh, Giovanni, we're doing and I are fine.
Thank you.
Ghana for one here. Potato no yansen, see you. Yan here, and no, and yan here, fire, and I and the camera. Yes. I come.
That's right.
Good. About 2 or so. And then oh yeah, the mama set it up and you need the prep. Yeah, the dear no. Gio.
Yes.
I could say. Oh, this is how you are doing it.
Yes, that's how I do it.
What man salt cacao no?
No, not yet.
Wow, I wish you have one idea no. I no. Wow. Agbani esi epedian ready na there. Salsa ye dey good and Giovanni Caleb recipe.
Yes. When I delight no.
Yo delight ni there dia ebusiafo. Aka a few minutes. On that note no. Ye be my ho sa few minutes no. Na ye dey twan ho aba. Ye twan ho be papa. One say the my ready I may set up. Any kwan say dia no from afaso. Any kwan say you say ya. First of all my yenyi. Hwenam no.
Kono kama.
Hwenam no.
When I brown. The brown in McBrown's when you. Allah.
Nasa we grab it to me go am na toss na veggies na pa ho. Me famra.
That's the plan.
Come me famra.
I'm patching.
Yo, and I am time no crown so because e go 2 minutes na kan wa ha. Ma stop no. I was for yen nam no. Jo we there me contribution there but.
No, but don't worry. Feel free.
Yes,
feel free.
Piangum.
So say ya.
Oh my God. And now no aye bibiye. Ooh. Potato delight. On say ensure na wasian. Ope kra.
We can separate no. On say you know see.
Even though you are separate, yeah, they choose to see the baby.
Thank you.
Na mami loja no.
Yes, lower you kakra.
Giovanni, anya na sawa. Hey. Yeni kan yi bio. What is your name?
Oh.
What work do you do? I was here for Giovanni Caleb. You said no. And you know, I such a gosh. I want to eat it. Giovanni, any tobacco, mamma.
I am. I did a hot dog.
And I'm not blue.
Spice my inside square.
I'm not blue. You try one by this year. McBrown's kitchen. You know,
I do even chess. You be try akoni sika. Wo sa be getting home. Say nsuo dey turn and say you never TV no. Say TV no. I say me dey nyo. Wo dey na ide. I stand up. TV for yeah, I need that down. Even the fish no. Really. No we check about that way. You mean can we on top? Really. Let's check that. Some come.
fellow Ghanaian.
Yes. Yeah, would you media and what?
I condition more try we now.
I don't give a good check up for you here. I may about you. No separate TV at home. That's what that's one.
Oh, and you're more by here, Ankasa. Everything 18th October, I open 28th October. And your high sense TV promo. So you got high sense TV, and you got TV, and it doesn't crochet. Sound the new word there. Now F. So what's high sense TV? Every 65 inches equa. You're more DSTV decoder with 3 months subscription. High sense and one about 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. More idea. What's your condition? The career that come out to TV that's also.
Shit. You're promo. Idea for near that show.
High sense. Everyday prices for
2351251.
What first? No. Yes, some 12 amounts. 1,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 1,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! Now where? 5,000 Ghana cedi. Say, 8,500 Ghana cedi. Wow! After you move to me, you 15,500 Ghana cedis cover. The idea will be only hospitalization. Trese, we are Kondaya Sabia, ever what you can. After critical illness. Trese, Yaria Kronko Bua, Yajatum Saboa, ever Boamaku. Bebra, Yakaka Winina, Kakrabi pet, and the other to the Utian so many so. Waiting on my way, yes, no. For phone, dial *165#. Never come home. Send you my way. That's it, no way.
My Way, a product of My Life and MTN Momo.
Delay sardine, peche like that. This advert is FDA approved.
See our kitchen. And what's in here?
Sweetheart, and then my higher home over kitchen beam, and now for you could you garlic, and a cake. I must say, Baby Chayana, Pussy, ya bought a potato. And nay, Timmy 3 minutes at the romantic. What can you mean saying now, boom, I'm a naya back, and one is a would be a petty with 3 and a wheel. And nay, charity missing tea. I'm a Maya, yes, smart, with your DNA.
Honey, Mamma Daddy.
Charlie 3 mix and ginger powder, a bit too.
FDA, add the judge and crack to atomo.
Many people think I get whatever I want because I'm a popular actress. But no, that is not true. Me and Kasano, Adebia me yebiano, me shishimpe papano. And when I find it, I stick to it. My shishimenya Bell Pack tissues. Bell Pack ewe tea roll. Bell Pack tea roll. Soft, but not weak. Strong, lasts longer, and saves you money. It's time you switch to Bell Pack today. Say here pocket tissue, table napkin, tea roll, and a kitchen towel. Bell Pack is simply the best. It's just perfect.
Nothing feels so good.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait, your tomato mix. What is so one on pass? Say loud, what tomato flavor no?
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Oh, fuck kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra young quine stew. Dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom ama menia Japan. Presenia enino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix in tea. Me handwriting and sada. Then into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's Kitchen.
McBrown's Kitchen, for Salango, Edianepa, Ede, Giovanni Ediane no. Jobie so, Cripsy. Wow, I fed you, bra.
Thank you.
Bra, na and a year for Queen Sunyada Abuafo say.
Thank you.
Abuafo. Yes, started free for more. Me pa made the awake purified drinking water say. Awake in sio any Puma drinks. Ye do ma sepa kasa preku. Already insura wo. Afa Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Na Royal for enchancing ye me ma set.
Oh wow.
She box mu brand new.
Fresh.
Afa High Sense me ma ye rice cooker. High Sense rice cooker. High Sense ye da mo say. Me pa Borges olive oil. Enie and also ye mouth pack. Borges how they your veggies no.
Na me da bomb by kakra.
Papa no edibi. And then apple cider nyina wo. Afa delay mackerel. And then sardine no nie. Afa Charlie spices. Charlie. And no sunie. Me pa Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. And it Tasty Tom jollof mix. And also ewa ha. Afa my way insurance. Say omo there omo be ma ojot we busy do church bibia for you come message we apron farmer message mame we need you mu a afa bell pack tissue so ma will be
thank you
what I say e kwa na da ko si kitchen na FFF na ya da launcher kitchen for ase we bibia na kitchen na there hu launcher na bomidia o discount e wo ho kama ya de na mompene ye afa yen kwa aduane no ho
thank you
ye kwa kodidi me ka che Ghana for say wo kitchen niam de ensign think home luxury e ho enkoto bibia hwe plate who did plate ma bon so ho den atọ
wow
nya da bia na be ko restaurant abe feel say wo chili o no chilling now ya da think home say ya ni obi na ebe didi ya na ebe ba enyom na ba ane enyom no mra na ne on famra be ma bra sa memem fa movement bra
Where do you be a coma? Where do you be a coma? Mommy chim no man away. Oh, mommy chim no nah. Oh, mommy when no man oh no.
Thank you.
Adi asana chedi aneno. Intimate so sisi way. O movement na de be ba no na ba me re nti we potato benya tupe. Mommy ampa. Odonfo no mobro hu for the odi adum eni o ma ye bedi shrine. Ye timpo ne se de o hwe wo fie so. Obenya bi no wato niema bi na wa ye bi wo fie. Ye da wase wadom ti amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Giovanni Caleb Jaho pa.
Asana no first ana.
Yes. Okay. Asana Adebayo nti gina ho asa.
Thank you.
Wow. We dey mami shukra na encounter. Think home niema na say na tie. Aye. Ooh. Wow, Giovanni.
Yes.
A recipe near come.
Thank you, Nana.
Recipe near. I was for you're doing in you. You're doing in ye. Huh? What was so no for about room? Oh, Gio. Wow. Who didn't design?
I your friend me and this John.
And there's John.
Yes, ma.
Bisa come back up. We have to do a John.
The dika no mebo my blank kitchen abaso.
Me.
Ma adwuma pa wo ye.
That's it.
Ene adwuma pa wo ye boa man no. Ene aduane pa ene nso wo de amaye wo ha no say ye. E bebo my blank kitchen abaso ende.
Thank you.
The di ho no. Na ma bo Uncle Giovanni abaso.
Yeah. Mama restaurant.
Yes, chef Giovanni correct me.
No, you know. Papa wonsa no ende na o invite me wa no tinya mi hira o
amen
onyo kese pa
afa bi so na samba
onyo kese
ana be so ni kran so
de mi she un kran say ade pa wo ye bo aman no ko so ana ye ni sa me ma wa ba mi mu de wo ye bia na ye hwe o nti ko so ana ye ni sa nyame emwa o no nka ho
amen
aye na so da se su just ni de aduane ni na paso ke free ba ma pa no so no puma dance bi bra homo Giovanni
yeah
ana sakani nyina irade sra adwuma pa wo ye me de ko bol lunch me de mensa
no
di na ye one low
that's na ye one low
mami sao de bia o te same aya no bia bi sa se ina na de muna no pa o sre red carpet to crawl ye raba kakran so a o sre ba bia be hia no bia o sre adoni hawana wo debia baby o gina bia na wo sre Giovanni woni ha o ya so sa no mbi sa ntima mi sa obi
well me how I'm human but we don't walk around and I say it's not good to look like your problems problem no dey finish so make sure you find the light in every situation and that's me my mantra ejuma mami and it's good for my mental health. I can't be walking around looking for no. I have life. That's the most important thing.
That's the most important thing.
Forget everything.
Oh, the one kind if you don't get it, forget about everything. I was for said yeah, Giovanni Adrian and a deno. A person will be a Miss Remo, will be a nebi with fear. Oshemo a nanchunambia, would the vegetables no, when you were more. The whole fear behind the canwa, a bemau taste, a bemau, and one day. Into Miss Row, Bomodian, a be with you. Giovanni Porero de Lars.
That's right.
Guys, I was up for a better Giovanni, I say for Diana Babayamai. But Gio, answer now, Becono. She camera when a foul last word. A bit to me, a politics, a bit to me, a social issue, be a bit to me, a wow foot too, and a bit to me, a specific assembly. I been a wujina so ediamai. Well,
we dear me that Nana McBrown's kitchen has sick for the platform. My first time from a viewer to a guest. And all those who support and sponsor behind the scenes for Nina. I mean, I know the times we are in, a lot of young people are becoming desperate. They are tired. You're working so hard. Things are not picking up as expected. Give yourself some time. And whilst you give yourself some time, no, see if you can have a second hustler. This is Maybe you're doing something. How about selling? I know not everybody is gifted in that area, but find what you truly love.
Be a productive person.
You see?
I must work it like this.
That's it.
And then,
That's it. And I'm has 4 or 5 different hustles. And that's what makes a complete human. I know a lot of us young people, they have any excuse. We like giving a lot of, I'm part of it. We like giving excuses. If you can look beyond that, there is no need running out of country now. Let's stay here and build the country.
Let's stay and build the country. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bema Nanes. You better was swati. Now him said the McBrown's kitchen. Also, my Uncle Gio Bibi. J. And your man, you know, your dear. High sense. Some mau iron. I think chance no peja. Na Ghana for him. I royal. For so se men fa mawo Royal, Edamase. Ave Borges, say, a pomody count home, in Tienfa Mount. What I say? No, Pebia, for 1 spoon book is you warm water on the hair. I mean, shroud. I was for Madame Aboafoase said the munim no high sense. I work purified drinking water. Tasty Tom, Launcher Kitchen, Borges olive oil, Charlie spices, My Way insurance, delay mackerel, delay sardine. I feel Bell Pack tissues, and a Royal Kitchenware official. Namada think home swase for your chancing. Me trini not luxury hair. And I me makeup beauty maybe. You know not the mammy J looks. Any CC home mammy. Me Diana Daka is na McBrown. Adbad. Madam was never come by the one quality modern. Into Mama and your man now. Once that's why it's me and Yama. It's me, Giovanni,
what's your problem? Hey, I come in content. I will say we cheat on you. Darling, what's your movement? Hey, I come in content. I will say we cheat on you. Catch a view, make my show more. Catch a view, make my show more. Catch a view, make my show more.
Room divider.
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen.